So for writing number 5, you are going to be writing an essay explaining why it is important to stick together during tough times. And honestly, this is a tough time that we are experiencing now, so you could use your experience from helps for this. So use what you're going through right now to prove that point. Make sure that in your writing you are proving it. Use your notes on thesis. We've included an anchor chart for your intro, body, and conclusion that you can use as well. And the same strategies we've always used. Ways to hook your reader. You can use an imagined statement. You can use a quote. You can use something that's going to really put your reader into the experience that you're talking about. Why is it important for us to stick together in times like this or any other time that you'd like to write about? Why should we stick together and stay together through that? Also, when you get to your writing, make sure that you are proving it. Make sure in your body paragraph you're really proving that thesis statement and restating your thesis in your conclusion. You can use all of the revisions that we've learned, your revision checklist, anything from your binder that would help you. This is an expository essay like we've been writing. And don't forget your organizational structure. You could use any of the organizational patterns that we've talked about. You could use problem solution, compare and contrast, cause and effect, descriptive, or chronological to prove your point.